everyone, so today we're going to be making a Starbucks cream cheese Danish copycat. So for our cream cheese filling, I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 package, 8 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and a couple pinches of salt. So in the cream cheese bowl, we're going to add all of our sugar. We added our vanilla extract. I'm going to add 2 pinches of salt. And I forgot to mention that the cream cheese is at room temperature, so it's pretty softened. And we're just going to use a hand mixer to beat this together until it's super creamy. And that's it for our cheese filling. And now we are going to get started on the dough. I'm using these puff pastry sheets from Pepperidge Farm. I'm using both sheets because it comes with 2. Now we did thaw the puff pastry. I just took it out and placed it in the fridge. We're going to set one aside. And then the other one we are going to unfold, just like this. And we're going to use these lines to make the cuts, and then we're going to cut it in half, so it'll give us 6 cheese danishes per pastry. So I'm just going to take a little knife and cut straight down the edges. So now that we've cut it into 6 pieces, I'm just going to take that same knife and draw a rectangle. This basically is what we're going to aim for. Here is where we're going to fill the cream cheese filling, and these will kind of puff up on the sides because we've scored it, and will give that edge to the Danish that you normally see on a cream cheese Danish. So we're just going to score it. You don't want to go all the way through. You're going to go like halfway through. Just like that. And then I have a fork here, and we're just going to poke the bottom with a fork. Just like that. I'm going to continue and finish for the rest of the danishes. Now I've placed it onto a parchment lined baking tray, and I'm just going to take a little spoon and spread our cream cheese filling into this rectangle. Now once all of them have a good dose of that cream cheese filling, we're going to brush the edges with some egg wash. It's just basically 1 egg with like half a teaspoon of water. And we're going to use a brush to brush all the sides. This will ensure the Danish to get super golden brown and flaky. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees, and we're going to bake them for 14 minutes. This is how they look once they come out of the oven. They look so beautiful. I hope you guys try it out. Assalamualaikum.